Mommy said you could go out.
Come on, Fatso. She said, no, it's just interesting to be able to let all the warm air out, like other Mommy was doing last night. There we go. Come on, Fatso. She's like, hell no. Here, Fats. Meow. Here, Fats. Come on, kitty. Fats. Oh, it's wet. Oh, here she comes. Oh no, maybe not. Come here, Fats. She said, forget that.